Welcome to today's episode of DKiRasoi, where we'll be exploring the mouth-watering chicken biryani, a dish that has won the hearts of food lovers across the globe. Chicken biryani is an aromatic, flavorful, and rich dish that combines tender marinated chicken with fragrant long-grain basmati rice. This one-pan recipe is not only easy to prepare, but also allows for endless customization, as you can experiment with different spices, herbs, and meats. To begin, let's talk about the star of the show, the chicken. You can use boneless, skinless chicken thighs or chicken breast, and make sure to marinate them in a mixture of yogurt, ginger, garlic, and a touch of salt. Allow the chicken to marinate for at least 30 minutes, and preferably overnight, to allow the flavors to fully penetrate. Next, let's discuss the basmati rice. Make sure to soak the rice in cold water for about 15 minutes, then strain and rinse it thoroughly. This will help ensure that the rice cooks evenly and becomes fragrant. Now it's time to create the rich tomato-based sauce. Add oil and all Indian spices, then add slick green chilies, curry leaves, fresh ginger and garlic, and sauteed onions, and sauté until golden brown. Tip: add pinch of salt to get onions cooked. Add marinated chicken, tomatoes, chopped mint leaves, turmeric, garam masala, coriander cumin powder, and chicken biryani masala, and sauté. Let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Once the chicken is fully cooked, let it simmer on a low flame for next 10 to 15 minutes. In the meantime, let's make some fried onions to garnish our chicken biryani. Now everything is cooked. Let's layer rice and chicken to make it mouth-watering chicken biryani. Layer base with oil or ghee, then add rice, chicken, fried onions, food coloring, fresh finely chopped cilantro, chopped mint leaves, and repeat the process. Let it cook for 10 minutes on low flame. Then garnish with fresh coriander, and your chicken biryani is ready to serve. Enjoy this delectable dish with friends and family, and don't forget to share your culinary masterpiece with us. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook DKiRasoi. Happy cooking!